In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make up to $30 per hour just by working from your laptop at your home. Because you may know that big companies are testing everything and are testing their websites, their videos, everything about their marketing. And they are testing their product by clients, by real people that goes on their website and just create a review of their content, what works and what doesn't work. And a lot of business owners, as example me, create maybe one software or one website or one company, and for me it's really easy to use it because I have created, but maybe for other people it's not so simple, it's not very intuitive. So these big companies will hire people just to create reviews and give tips and give advices about their website, what works and what doesn't work. And you can become one of that people. You can become the person that tests the other company's website, and you can do it from your home, from your laptop, online, and completely for free without investment. And as I said before, you can earn up to $30 per hour. And I've done it by myself. I've done one of these tests. It was with a spaceships museum where I went to their website. I just looked around. I've done some tasks that they have told me to do. And while I was doing that, I was recording the screen and recording my voice. So I could share my thoughts, my ideas, and my tips on how they can improve their websites. And you don't need a special skill, you don't need to be a website developer or to be a marketer expert. You can be anyone, you don't need any specific skill. And there are three main platforms where you can do this. The first one is TrymyUI. The second one is Userlytics, and the third one is Usertesting. And you can choose between those or even apply for all of those, so you can make more money and have more opportunities. And it's really simple, don't get overwhelmed with all this information, because you just need to create your account, log in, and then you need just an internet connection with a laptop so you can create the video where you review the website, and then you can send it to them. And then you just need a basic English, because yes, it's in English, and if you don't speak English, just learn a basic English so you can share your thoughts, your ideas. And one little tip, if English is not your main language, just make sure to use the words that you know. Don't think about different words, don't create something new, just use the words that you know. Use that during the video and you will see that it will be fine. And there are some tasks that you can do even on your phone. So maybe while you are traveling or while you are outside or on the bus, you can do this type of tasks. And as I said before, I have done this and I have tested by myself, and I can say that it's a legit 100% way that you can earn money online. You will receive your money, it's everything legit because these are real companies that pay you real money on PayPal. And for example, for me there was the review about a spaceship museum website in Washington where I had 3 tasks, and it was simple. It was, for example, go and find maybe the holidays of that museum. So you can see myself that I go into the website, I look for hours, vacations, holidays, and all this stuff. And while I am doing this and moving around the website, I am recording my voice, I am recording my thoughts. So I can say, okay, this bar is really good. Okay, this image maybe is too big because I cannot see the information that there are on the side, or some other stuff like this. It's a simple review of the website. So just imagine if the website was what you want to know. You want to know what works and what doesn't work, so you can change what doesn't work and make the website more professional and easier to navigate. Remember that you need to talk a lot. You cannot do the video without speaking or without saying anything, because the other people, the other companies will not have a lot of value from you. But if you make sure to speak during all the video, speak true idea, stuff, ideas, and all the things that comes into your mind, you speak them to your computer and they will know exactly what is going into your head. So they know exactly what is the best way to do or what they need to change in that website. And as you can see, you don't require a degree, you don't require anything special. You can do it by yourself from your home without special stuff. And the best part is that you don't need money to get started. You don't need to pay them. You don't need to maybe put a capital for ads or some other stuff with other businesses. You can start from scratch as a broke person. You can start with literally no money, and this is the best part, because a lot of people are scared to invest money in their business, in their internet. But if you use this way, you will be sure 100% that you will never lose money. And you can do it from your home, from your couch, while maybe you are cooking or eating. And this is amazing, because even if you work maybe a 9 to 5 and you want to create a side income, a side hustle, you can do this type of reviews of website and earn money maybe in the time when you have lunch, or maybe at the evening where you are at home, or maybe in the morning before to go to work. And you can make more money and more streams of income just by simply reviewing websites online. All this is amazing, is unbelievable, but there is just downside about this, is that you cannot take 100 reviews a day. There is a limit. There is a certain limit for every platform that you can do maybe just some works for a week, for example 5 or 10 every week. But the best solution is that you sign up to multiple of these websites. I have already told you 3 of these websites that you can sign up, so you will see that you have different limits and you will earn money from 3 platforms, because let's say that every platform has the limit of 10 tests every week. You will have 30 tests a week, so it's the triple of your money. So don't focus just on one platform, but focus on multiple platforms, so you can end up earning more money without limitations. And this is really good for beginners, because as a beginner, first of all, you don't have a lot of money to invest into yourself, into your business. Second, you don't have a high income skill. You don't have some special key skills about maybe marketing, Facebook ads, e-commerce, or some other stuff that allows you to make money. And the last but most important part is that you can do it from home, from your home, without investments. And this is why I've created this video, and this is why this is one of the best ways on how you can make money online as a beginner, without investment, without money, just by trading your time for money. Because at the beginning it's hard to making money online. I have done it also myself, and trading your time to get some money online, it's a pretty much good way to earn your first income. And my advice to you is that you need to take all the income that you make online, that you make from this website, and save it all, save everything. And then once you have maybe $1,000 or $2,000, find a business model that you like, maybe Amazon FBA, dropshipping, social media marketing agency, or something similar, and put all your money there, so you can learn a skill, create your own business, and really scale everything. Because this, yes, it's a good way to make quick money, to make money as a beginner, but it's not a great way to scale your business, become financial free, or maybe buy a Lambo. It's not the best way. The best way is through a business. It's there that you will become financial free and really grow yourself. So make sure to save every penny that you make online and reinvest all that money into yourself to create a business, a long-term business. So you will be able to quit your 9 to 5 or to quit your school and pursue your dreams. And one of the most important things is that it doesn't matter how much money you make, but it's more important how you make your money. And if you can make your first money online from your home, working from your computer, maybe while you are eating something or just having a relax, it's amazing. So don't lose time and start today signing up on these 3 websites: TrymyUI, Userlytics, and Usertesting. Sign up today. And if you maybe have already a skill, if you have something valuable, if you can maybe edit video, create website, digital marketing, there is a fastest way on how you can make more money online. And I have created this video right here where I show you how you can make really fast money by monetizing your skill. I see you there.